Joseph is stuck. Come here.
Oh my god, this is so big.
It's like, where are you going? Oh, good. How about you throw something far? Hello guys, we are at Cebu Safari already.
Cebu Safari already. There's a lot of people already.
Already, yeah. We're at the parking lot currently. Wow. This place is not easy to spot, right? Anyway, we don't have tickets yet, so we need to buy our ticket.
It's fine. So this is Cebu Safari.
Yes.
And nah, actually, this way. This is just parking lot.
You know what? We need to buy our tickets now.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Hopefully it doesn't rain though. I'm wild. Welcome.
Let's go.
Where is the ticket?
Okay, let's go. So after we scan that QR,
We enter the exit.
Let's go. Go. Really? On the back?
The first drop off will be base camp. The base camp is make a point for white lion, camel, birds of the world, and African savanna. So those areas will close at 4. Then after those areas, you will start walking all the way down self-guided. Inside is mostly walking tour. Trams are only up in, up out. We have bird show 1:45 p.m. at Safari Stadium. Then when taking pictures of animals, turn off the flash of your phone. No shouting and no smoking. Do not feed the animals and do not touch them. It's for your own safety. Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, she's listening.
Let's go. We're moving again. Where are we going?
To the base camp.
That way. I mean. Lions? Really? Not what I'm feeling right now. We should invest more on hey.
Oh, there's the white lion. Just like it's okay. We're explorers.
Let's go. Is there no paper map? Okay.
I told you to scan.
I scanned the.
I should have scanned, right?
Yeah.
Recording.
Yeah, that's the. Yeah, but.
Nah, it's okay. Let's explore.
Yeah, we'll explore everything. See?
That's the point, right?
We'll watch.
Can hear the birds.
everything.
Welcome.
Just move. Sorry. Oh. It's the bird. No touch, no feeding. Nah. But where's small bird? Ooh! Whoa!
Bird speeding master.
How much?
Black cat. They seem so confident. Just walking around.
Looking for food.
Yeah. Endangered species.
Endangered species.
Yeah.
You found it?
Yeah. Look.
Handshaking. Oh, yabo. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh.
That. You saw that
Yeah,
picking?
yeah.
Picking the.
The wood.
Making nest.
Yeah, perhaps.
Oh.
Hello. It's so cute.
Don't scare.
It's so cute. That bird is Nicobar pigeon.
Making nest.
Oh.
Okay, let's move on.
Let's move on.
This one is for making bird not escaping. Boy, you wanna try something here?
No, I want.
ATV, white lion safari, giant swing, sky bike, zip line.
Fly.
But where is it?
Somewhere.
Which one you wanna try?
Maybe the sky bike.
Sky bike? You wanna bike here?
How about that giant swing?
Giant swing, maybe. I wanna see it first.
Yeah.
Oh, lunch here?
Lunch is okay. I mean the price.
Yeah, price is okay. Reasonable, true. I was more worried about price actually. Map. Okay. Map. Why didn't you download on your phone?
Map.
Map.
マジアドベンチャーじゃん。
On our truck.
わかりますね、これは。
I hope not.
This is truck.
わかるわかる。そんな感じしますね。
Where's a monkey?
Sitting on the.
Sitting on their swing. Oh, here at white lion.
African white lion.
Is there any other lion other than live in Africa?
Oh, maybe there's
Amazon?
no
No,
lion.
no lion. That called something different name. It was long way with a truck ride and then waiting again
Yeah, we're waiting in line again.
because maybe we just because we cannot take a tour by on foot.
Yeah, it's kind of far.
Because
Uphill as well.
I'm here watching lion. We just individually entering is like feeding the food.
I don't think we're gonna be feeding it.
No, I mean like human working by itself.
Of course not. It should be guided.
That's why.
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, let's move. We are waiting for the white lion.
I like the white line.
Yeah, it's like another fresh meat coming.
What the hell?
Hang on. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Are you not?
Very excited to be fed to the lion.
여보, touch this. Check if it's firm, strong. Okay, we are safe.
I'm your guide for this journey and my name is Honey. For safety and comfort, please remain seated while the tram is in motion. And please secure hold of the grab bars and please refrain from extending your fingers outside the tram. And please avoid using flash photography or using selfie sticks during the Okay, you may stand up and picture our lions. Just go here, the right side.
I used to eat this.
Which one? Is that pea?
But from that tree.
Oh,
That one.
is that pea?
Yeah. We
Ah.
call it ipil-ipil.
You can see the screen. So bright outside.
What?
Birds of the world. Enter.
Come in. Welcome to my humble abode.
Huh?
Hot dog. Where's bird?
Oh, there. Where's that name?
What?
Pelican?
Pelican. I was gonna say pecan.
Huh?
Pecan.
Pecan? So, can you see other bird of the world?
See, but here. Ah, here.
What is this?
Guinea fowl.
Guria Guinea fowl, Indian people. Oh, this.
You're cute. There's one there. Birdie. So cute.
Can you say which one is this?
I think that's the Indian. Because of its color.
Oh, that's it? No more?
Inside.
Let's see more. Let's see more. Could it be? I can't see anything here.
Hey, I think they're all camouflage. You hear them. Just can't see them.
There was no way, right or left.
I hear something. Oh, there!
Where? Oh.
Oh, hello.
Look at me. I'm being eaten alive. Eaten alive.
Smile.
This one what? Get out?
Pecan? Not pecan.
This one's supposed not to be here, I think.
Yeah. But you know, it's the wild.
Where's wild?
So, they're everywhere.
Everywhere. More like nowhere.
It's really hard to spot them.
Are they building something again? Well, at least they are improving. That's a good sign. Where to next? Waiting for the bus.
I want to see a tiger.
Tiger. Bye. What? What just say?
look the same. It's so hard to remember.
Another ride. The safari tour was okay. There's what was that?
The savannah.
Savannah, yeah. And what was that?
They have zebra.
Zebra,
What was that?
gazelle,
Gazelle.
impala,
Impala.
and what?
Waterbuck.
Waterback. What is that? What? Anyway, this and that stuff.
Yeah.
Where is it? Only one?
Oh, there too.
I wanna have one. Only one cheetah?
It's a male.
We should move on.
Cheetah deserves
Better, yeah, bigger space. Also that
they
cat.
want to, run. That's what they're known for.
Anyway, so we're going to see a crocodile next.
Yep. Crocs.
Crocs.
There's crocs here.
It's eating your feet. Ah! Not me. It Lou only.
Is it?
Of course not.
Maybe we need to ride something.
I don't know. So this is where you can see cheetah. Not cheetah. Crocodile. We kinda lost for a minute.
Yeah, we didn't know this.
Who know this?
Oh.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ah. Crocodile. Oh wow. That's big. Why don't they put crocodile and turtle together? Kidding.
You're so brutal.
Kidding. Oh, there's more crocodile.
Saltwater crocodile.
Let's see.
You want to take this space?
Why
There's
it's
still one
empty?
available space.
So you gonna feed me? Huh?
Oh my god. It's a lot.
Wow.
Okay, let's see.
Where? Ah, here too. Is it turtle?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5, 6. Oh, there's one swimming. That's so cute. Oh, there's more.
I found one. This is called Homo sapiens sapiens.
Endangered species.
And you're trapped in my heart. Let's go.
We should eat lunch.
We're going back.
Yeah.
We don't understand what's happening here.
We should have just went to crocodile first.
I told you they should put numbers on the map. And how to move is like so confusing. The bus went without picking up. I was like, what the hell?
Are we invisible? I don't have energy.
Right.
So hungry.
So hungry. Oh, it's horse. Miniature horse.
Did you know that giraffes don't have vocal cords?
So cannot talk?
Cannot even make a sound
Mm.
because of their long neck.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah.
So close.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Let's enjoy lunch, my love.
Nature.
Nature. I like this kind of trail.
Is that the show already?
I don't think so. But that's the place. I told you I love hiking this season. This is what I like.
Nature.
Surrounded by trees,
Right.
leaves, green.
Green. It's so pleasing to the eye.
Let's go to the monkey.
Is it real?
Yeah. This one is even more than that. Hello.
Can I touch it?
No.
I think I can.
No touching.
Okay. Scared of me. So hot.
Yeah.
Sweating. Crazy. Maybe I think it's worse better just bring umbrella. Yeah,
Yeah,
why didn't we bring umbrella? 여보?
Yopo?
Not 여보 anymore cause I'm a monkey. Lou just called me monkey. Wow.
This one's pregnant?
Maybe. We're just old.
Oh, it's froggy.
Okay. What is that?
Peacock.
Peacock.
I wish it would show its tail.
You're just threatening it.
No, it's more like for mating. To attract the female.
Not really.
No, it is.
Wow. Why are we here?
Bird show.
Bird show.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cebu Safari Adventure Park proudly present the Bird Show. Please relax and enjoy as our 500 friends are going to show us some amazing tricks, awesome songs, guest participation, and important environmental message. Can you take a good look at the picture, buddy, and what is the spelling of tiger? He picks up on the T for the first letter of one. So sunniers are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime. And when their partner dies, that's the only time you will find another mating partner. He picks the 100 peso bill. So bye-bye Sunny and bye-bye 100 peso. The one without a tail and less colorful, that's the female, and that is what we call a peahen. Buddy, face the crowd, buddy.
Why should we this way?
Don't be shy. Face the crowd, buddy.
Almost
Nice. And he's shy, everyone.
You know this is the king of that movie, Madagascar.
Yeah. To move it.
We like to move it. She like to move it. We like to move it.
Given in the background.
Move it.
Maybe they're going to the safari.
Yeah, I think so. You want drink? Oh, sorry.
Where is it? It's gone.
Yeah, it was here. Where is it?
Maybe it went off the tree.
Where is it? Yeah, it was here somewhere.
I feel like it's on the tree. Make a sound.
Ah.
So it will come close.
I cannot see it. It's so high up there.
Look at their butt.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Oh my god.
Look at those butts.
So sexy.
You're crazy. Wow, big.
Come here, tiger.
Wow. Ooh.
I feel like it's just circling around.
Yeah.
Maybe it's sick
Nah, that's cat.
or bored.
Yeah, bored. That's cat. Basically. Oh, there. Huh? See, they're yellow. So Burmese.
They are non-venomous.
Yeah, usually those big ones are not venomous.
Really?
Mm.
How about anaconda?
They're strong enough. Doesn't have to have venom.
Ah, like to twist you right.
Mm. They're so massive and strong. Where? Oh, okay. That's another Burmese python. You know what? I feel like the peacock is just wild here. You know, the natural habitat of this place.
I feel like. Because they're everywhere.
So we are heading to what?
Michelle's garden.
Is it Michelle?
Michelle.
Not Michelle.
I don't know.
Yeah, let's see. I have zero expectation, but still going.
Yeah, I don't know what to expect, honestly.
Oh, it's small one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's another one, Milo.
But it's light colored.
That's not peacock. It's different one. Or this one. Ah, this one is small. Maybe chick.
Baby.
Just baby. Ah, and then become like that.
Like that.
Have color.
Becomes green. The neck.
This is it.
This is it.
This is it. Oh, like the Cebu Safari.
No, it's okay. It's okay.